bolt-on, gnarly exhaust.
Yeah, don't forget to include gnarly exhaust. Do it for the views.
What exhaust you got?
Fast intentions.
Bro. This Z has been treating me well, and
Dude,
for how you like drive this shit, like how you drive.
It's because, what?
I used to have it to my back. That thing's broken from it though?
Right there, yeah.
I used to have the same shit too.
I'm gonna put a Nismo bumper on it though.
Bro, God damn, you got me. I didn't get the fucking hit from the start, but nah, you got me from the start.
Oh, you didn't see me?
Huh?
You didn't hear me?
It was kind of dark, but nah, you got me. You got me from the start.
Oh, okay. Let's see what yours is at. Oh, perfect. All right, this one's at 180.
So what's what?
Yeah, you want to do a 20?
20?
Yeah. Well, you gotta remember, it's still.
No, yeah.
We can do a 20, then we can try a 40. See how the 20 goes. We're gonna see how the catback only 370Z does against a full bolt-on E85 370Z. I'm expecting to lose by about 2 cars or more. After the second one, it was at 220.
Yeah, that's what's up.
The first one, it went from 180 to like 200.
Nah, this car does good too. Low mileage?
50,000.
Mine's over 100K. Hey, for just an exhaust, it does pretty well. I have other Z's that are like same as me, and it's like
They don't do that well.
No, they don't do that well.
Damn.
It's like she has another factory free.
That's what I'm thinking. That's what I've been saying, but I have to keep testing it.
Yeah.
So, because I ran a stock G37, ran a full bolt-on G37, but it had still engine 3 intakes, and it was a 5-speed, and we beat that. And then that one was putting 330 to the wheel, and we beat it. And then raced the Z yesterday. that had still in Gen 3 intakes, and you're the fastest one yet. And the one yesterday you saw put like half a car. It'll take a while though, and you put about 2 cars, which is what I expected you to put.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. And she didn't like.
Yeah, there's no test pipes. It just has the
back tires.
They're not racing tires.
Yeah, they're not racing tires, but
She has to put.
so like when I turn roll, I'm like, it looked like you slipped or something. I slipped a little bit.
Yeah, I heard you.
Yeah,